The rumor mill has been churning hard for the next slate of foldable phones from Samsung. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 in particular appears to be getting a whole redesign with an enormous cover display. However, its larger, more expensive sibling, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, has appeared to be mostly the same so far. Leaked renders showed it folding flat, which was exciting, but there was the chance the renders could be inaccurate. Thanks to my smart price, we have the first leaked press render for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and sure enough, it folds flat. This image lines up well with previous CAD renders shown in older leaks, prominently showcasing many of its biggest changes, including the hinge. The render showcases a phone that, in a first for Samsung, can fold completely shut. It's been long rumored that we'd be getting a redesigned hinge that would ditch the annoying gap present on older models, and these renders seem to confirm that. Of course, we'll need to see the phone in the flesh to know exactly how it looks and feels. Judging by this image, we're also getting slightly smaller bezels along the inner display, and certainly when compared to Google's upcoming Pixel Fold. Other than this, the phone looks a lot like its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Earlier rumors suggested this year would maintain a similar design, so no real surprises here. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 press render shows an S Pen. This isn't super surprising since the Galaxy Z Fold 4 supports the use of a specialized S Pen. However, if you were hoping the Galaxy Z Fold 5 had a slot to keep an S Pen, this render shoots down that hope. The bottom and top of the phone are clearly visible, and there's no slot to see. We also have further confirmation of its specs, thanks to leaker Yoj Brar. The phone is supposedly using a 7.6-inch AMOLED foldable panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, with the external display measuring 6.2 inches and sporting an HD Plus resolution. The phone is likely to pack a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. No shock there, with up to 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. It should also use a triple rear camera setup complete with a 50-megapixel main sensor, all paired with a 4-megapixel under-display selfie camera inside and a 10-megapixel one on the outside. We might also see a 4,400 mAh battery with 25-watt charging, as well as, of course, One UI 5 based on Android 13. All told, it's pretty similar to the phone we saw last year, which should keep Z Fold 4 owners feeling satisfied for another 12 months. Samsung already announced its intentions to debut these new folding phones during the Unpacked keynote next month in South Korea, which gives us plenty of time for extra leaks in the coming weeks. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.